start with the receptacle panel. So to start with the receptacle panel, why don't you guys go to all the way to floor plan power. Let's go to floor plan power. Floor plan power. Okay, everybody's at floor plan power. Cool. Okay, floor plan power. So this is my floor plan power. I'm going to go first. You need to run the schedules. To run the schedules, you're going to go to analyze. Everybody analyze. Yep. And go to reports. Can you guys see where it says reports here? Everybody's there? Analyze reports. And go to panel schedules. Give me a thumbs up when you're there. Good? Good? Okay. Click on panel schedule. When you click on panel schedule, Revit will tell you here's all the panels that you can run a schedule for. Which one do you want? The only one I would like to unclick whatever is clicked and go click onto LP, MP, and RP. Did you guys click these three? What you're telling the software is I am interested in knowing all the circuits that's going to LP, MP, and RP. Generator is also shown as a panel here. Fire alarm control panel, auto transfer switch, annunciator panel, air handling with VFD is also showing as a panel, but I'm not interested in a panel schedule for them. We run panel schedules, Karen, only for panels. Cool? So when you guys are there, do me a favor. Can you hit OK? Now you have just ran your panel schedule. When you run them, you should see the following. You should see a panel schedule like this. Lighting panel. Can you guys, did you see that, everybody? Now, where do you find the rest of them? Where do you find the rest of them? So if you guys go to all the way to this, to see all of them, let's go to minimize here, minimize here, minimize here. Can you guys see way at the bottom here? Do you see where it says schedules? Everybody can see schedules. Click on this. I'm sorry, right here, panel schedules. Click on the panel schedules. Derek, do you see way at the bottom it says panel schedules? Do you see the three of them there? Okay, now if you want to work on the first one, L, double click on LP. This is your LP. You're looking at it right here. Okay. Your LP. If you want to look at MP, double click on MP. Here's my MP. If you want to click on RP, double click on RP, and this is your RP. Any comments, guys? Any questions? Everybody can see that? These are the three schedules that you want. We have one little problem, Karen. Can you guys see that for your schedule, you can see circuit number 1, feeding receptacle. It's a 20 amp circuit, single pole. The load on that circuit is 360. The first number, do you guys see how to read the schedule? Derek, the first number, 360, this is on circuit 1. That will be your circuit 1 on this side. Your circuit 2 on this side, can you guys see that? That has also on phase A, and it's also have 360, and it's single pole 20 amp receptacle. So like the panel schedule guys have all the odds on one side, the even on the other side, right? You know how to do that, and phase A, phase B, phase C. So now, can you guys look at this? Can you tell me where's that receptacle located? You need to go change these receptacles with a unique name. So how would I know? They're also receptacles. Now, when you're running them as piece of cake, now we're going to go identify each one of these circuits. Identify the circuits. Do you see what we're going to do? We're going to go identify the circuits. Before you guys go there, do you see what is available interrupting current rating? Can you type 35,000 amp, 35K at the top? That's what you want to do. Main type, this is a receptacle panel. The main type is main lugs only. There's no circuit breaker on it. The size of, main lugs only. Okay. Main lugs only. That's the type of your panel that you have. The change will be appear to all elements. Okay. Main circuit breaker, I have the main rating. What was the size of the panel that we did? The receptacle panel, was it 100 amp or 125? I forgot. Anybody has, what's the size of your panel? Was it 125 amp? Can you guys check that one? Can you guys check your panel? If your panel is 125, go put this one 125. Did you guys see me? And then right here, we says main circuit breaker rating, just dash it. We don't have a main circuit breaker, okay? Okay, everybody got that one? Make sure, Adam, if you haven't done that with your schedule, make sure you put a 35,000 interrupting rating. Where did the 35,000 came to be? We're running power system analysis next week, and you might have to change that one. Main lugs only and breaker. That's the first thing you need to change. Okay, it's surface. Okay, so it looks like it's a supply from. I don't know if you can supply from main panel. Main panel. Well, we can. It will show it when we circuit it. It will show that when we circuit it. Yes, because he did not circuit his panel. That's why it's not showing. You guys will show when you circuit it. Okay, everybody did that one, Karen? 35 KA, 35,000 amp. All of them, can you guys put for all of them 35 for the time being? All of them will be main lugs only, except the main panel will going to be main circuit breaker. We're going to have main circuit breaker in the main panel. 35,000, yep. Why didn't it didn't catch that one? Okay. Main circuit breaker. It's well, just leave it. We don't have a main circuit breaker. We don't have a main. It's a main bus, main lugs only. Okay, everybody's good with that? Now let's go. Now I need to go identify circuit number 1 or any of these circuit. Okay. Now to do this, guys, the easiest way to do, go to power. See where I am in power. I'm going to go back to where I was. Power floor plan. And I'm going to see if he did it right. If you guys click on this receptacle, it says circuit number 1. That's a circuit number 1. Can you guys see that? Circuit number 1. Was it under receptacle panel? Circuit number 1, comments. Okay, load type. Where it says, where did it say that now? Is created phase, work electrical, comments. Okay, so click on that one. Should give me the circuit. Circuits. So offset, receptacle, comments. Here's demolition. Did he? Oh, it says load classified receptacle. Okay, so load classification. I thought we get into the circuit. Always get it. So circuit. It looks like it's circuited, and we need to put it the mark. Now I always forget that one. Name. Okay. Let me see in the equipment side. Equipment type. Okay. Come on. So this is circuit number 1, and we need to name it. Can you guys see where I think it's pulling out of a work schedule? I don't think it's pulling out of the comments. Why can't I edit family? No. Edit fixture. Okay, let's try that one here. Okay, systems. Let's go view this one, guys. I want to go view, look at my my system browser here. Okay, my system browser under electrical power receptacle panel. There you go, circuit number 1. Circuit number 1. Okay, here you go. Can you guys see? That's where you find the load name. That's what I was looking for. Can you do me a favor? I'm sorry, I always forget that one. Can you guys see that? When you go to get this view, if you haven't done that, go view user interface and make sure you click on system browser. One more time. user interface, system browser, and go under system browser. It will open this window for you. You go under power, lighting panel, main panel, receptacle panel, go to circuit number one, click on circuit number one. It will get you the load name is receptacle. Now, can you guys see these are not, they are receptacle, but they are in where? In the bathroom. What was the bathroom? It was room, give me the number. It was R11. 113 and R114. That's all what you have to do. So you name him R113 and R114. Since it's a receptacle panel, they are the receptacles in R, room 113 and room 114. Does that make sense? Do you see where it says that load name? Did you guys see that? Did it work for you, Derek? So that's very clear. These are that's the circuit that you the load name that you want to do. If you hit apply, guys, apply now. This circuit is named R113 and R114 in the panel schedule. Let's go check that one. Hopefully it did it.
So check getting the user interface.
Yeah. Give me 1 second. I'm just going to check. Can you guys see how it? Derek, can you see how it labeled it here? It went to circuit number one, R113 and R114. So this is receptacle and R113 and R114. Okay, how did you get the system interface? You're going to go to view.
Well, I got that. I just can't find where yours came up with the circuits. Mine just comes up with like.
Click on the circuit itself right here. Okay, and make sure you are in the power. Are you in the floor plan power? Make sure you're in the floor plan power.
Yeah, all there.
And click on the circuit. It should show you the.
Mine came up all unnamed. I don't have, like, I've got the mechanical panel, but I don't
Maybe it's
have
not circuited. Let me see what.
my receptacle panel.
That's check. Okay, so you need to go find where your receptacle panels. One of these is mechanical panel. I don't know where your mechanical panel. I think is your receptacle panel. Did you try all of these? Is it just okay? Let me see here. Power. Main panel, or maybe underneath you circuit it, it might have been showed under the main panel. There you go, there's your light panel. You already circuited, and it's already circuited. That's it. It's the receptacle panel. Please say type receptacle panel too. Maybe under, let me see, there's your receptacle panel. Right, see what I mean? You did the right thing, it's circuited. So now we click on that baby here. And where's the system interface? There you go, receptacle. Name this one R. Was that your first? Like wherever, what are you feeding here? You're feeding a lot of stuff from this circuit.
Well, no, this is just 113 and 114 right here.
Okay. Is there, aren't you putting these with it?
Oh, the coordinates, yeah.
Yeah, and outside. See, that's when you circuit it. You're going to kind of give it a unique name. It's very short, remember. So you don't have a whole lot of room. That's why when you circuit it, depending on how you circuit it, you're going to give it a unique name that at least can identify it without being too much. You know what I mean? So 113 and 114, maybe, and 1112 and right? Yeah, 1112 in there.
Yeah.
So.
Oh, wait, I'll tell you what I do.
Yeah. Do you see what I mean?
I know what, yeah.
Karen, did it work for you? Okay. And you are circuiting them, so you can, so click on 16, for example. Yeah. There you go. Now that, it's in there. And here's instead of receptacle, you can go in and, what is this feeding? We're feeding this area. So that would be, yeah. So R1117. Okay. Okay, so that's basically it, guys, in terms of these, how to name these circuits. You do the same thing for lighting, Karen, and you do the same thing for mechanical equipment. I'm going to go to the mechanical equipment, guys. Can I have thumbs up, Chad? We know how to do the receptacles. Can I? Okay. Can I just switch? Now these are all the receptacles. You do the lighting, guys, the same way. You go click on lighting. So if I'm going to go to lighting, here's my lighting panel. Click on lighting circuit. And this lighting says lighting dwelling. I don't know where this is. So you go to lighting. Here's my lighting. Let's go to, if he did it right, his lighting is right here. So this circuit, it looks like coming out of this area here. Okay, so it looks like this is room 119, and for this guy 119 and 117, right? 117. Let me see if I can move this one slightly. Okay, 117 and 119. I don't want to do that though. 11. Okay, so you come over here, guys. Oops. Let's go to the circuit itself here, and do R117 and R room 119. Okay, so that's the fixture for lighting. Before we go ahead, guys, so this is how you do lighting. Let's go to mechanical equipment. Mechanical equipment, the mechanical equipment slightly different. Lighting a receptacle, piece of cake. Go identify it. Please, can I say the word please, guys? Make sure you give it a name unique enough to tell the people that this circuit is feeding these lights or these receptacle in this area. So if your circuit, Karen, is feeding multiple places, please list these multiple places. For example, in the open office, guys, I would say the room of the open office, what was it? Like if I have a light in the open office here, or receptacle in the open office, I see R126 east wall, west wall for the receptacles, north wall, south wall. So use these terminologies so you can identify them in a bigger area, guys. When you have a lot of circuits, make sure you use or a cubicle, right? The cubicle, the north cubicle, south cubicle. You know what I mean? Give him enough information to know where the circuit is. Everybody's okay with this before I go to the mechanical equipment? The last thing I'm going to do, guys, mechanical equipment. Karen is good. Lights and receptacle, piece of cake, just identify them. All of them have to be circuited, guys. If they're not circuited, you have to go back again and circuit them. Okay, I'm going to go to the mechanical equipment, guys. I'm going to click on, for mechanical equipment, I'm going to click on the air handling unit, it looks like here. This circuit number 132, it says air handling unit VFD. Can you guys see that? That's the name of the load. That's exactly what I want. I don't care. That's the name. It's already named. Let's go to the second circuit and see what this circuit is. So this circuit, guys, it says HVAC equipment. But, well, this is HVAC equipment though, but which HVAC equipment? I'm going to go back and try to see if I can identify it more than that. Go to power, because these are in power. If you click on this circuit, guys, it should identify where this circuit is located. This is coming out of, it looks like BP-1. Can you guys see that? It's the PP-1. So all what you have to do, come over here and say BP-1. So that's, oops, is that what we call it? BP-1. And here you go. And then the name of this load, then it will be, the circuit is BP-1. Boiler pump-1. Any comments, guys? Any questions? Maybe PP like this, BP-1. Okay, now we go to the second circuit, guys. Here's another boiler. This one is right next to it, is BP-2, right? Same thing. You go BP-2. Done. I need thumbs up, Chad. We know how to do the mechanical equipment. If you circuit them right, and you label them right, you put the schedule name right in there. Cool? That's all what you're going to do. Now, if you go to the schedules, guys, and see if this is what they are, let's go back and look at the schedules. Oops. Here's my schedule. I'm going to go to the mechanical panel and see if can you guys see the BP2 that I have here and the PP1 that I already installed here? They are here. So when you guys print these for Chad. If I see HVAC only, this means you just did not do your work on that. Does that make sense? When you print them, they all have to be labeled. Any comments, any questions? Any comments, any questions, guys? I do have one more thing I want you to follow up with me, then you guys run with it. Can I have your attention? Because now I want to bring to your attention, guys, to one thing. Do you see how many circuits in your panels? Can you guys give me what's the maximum in each panel? 42 circuits. Now what happened if you exceed 42? Okay, let's go to the receptacle panel. The receptacle panel should exceed 42. So I'm going to go close that one just for the sake of it. Can you guys see it's full, exceed 42. There are circuits that are not shown here because how many circuits? You have more than 42 in the receptacle panel. The only panel that should exceed 42 is the receptacle panel. They're not shown here. So what are you going to do? Okay, where it is. Where is it? So this is what I'm going to walk you guys into editing the schedule so you can show more than 32. Cool? Can I have thumbs up, Chad? That's what we're going to do next. The reason why we have to do the next step is just because if you exceed 42, you have to have a new schedule. Okay, do me a favor. For this, go to Manage, please. Go Manage. Which one is that? Manage, manage panel. Can you guys see where it say manage? Do you see that little, click on this icon, manage template. So manage and click on this icon, you see manage template, edit template. Do you guys see that? Can you guys, everybody can see that? Click on this here and you should be able to, that little icon here. One more time. We're under setting. Manage, yep, click on that, not this one here, and manage that. You can see both of them, right? Let's go to edit template. Edit template. Okay, I'm sorry. I picked the wrong one. Let's go back again one more time. Click on it and manage template. Click on manage template. Can you guys see that? Everybody can see that? Do you see where it says edit here at the bottom, that little pencil looking thing? Do you see it? Hit edit. And then here's the template that we have. Okay, cancel that one. Can you guys cancel? I think I need to do one thing before I do that. One more time, manage. I always get that one wrong. Template, manage template. And we need to, before we do that one, we need to duplicate. You see where it says duplicate here? Can you guys see that? Branch circuit panel. Can you guys say duplicate? When it says duplicate, can you guys name this one RP-82? I'm going to make it an 82 slot panel. Receptacle panel 82. So I have a new panel that says RP-82. Let's go edit. Everybody click on it. Can you guys see that? After you do it, click on it. Edit. Okay, now when I'm going to edit that, can you guys see where it says set template options in the upper left corner? Click on that one. Do you see where it says 42 slots here, right in the middle of it? Can you guys see that? Right in the middle of it. When I make this 82. Everybody got that? I'm sorry, 84. Let's make it 84. Typically 84. I lied to you. 84. All right. Okay it. And gentlemen, you have an 84 template. 84 template. Can you guys see how these 80? You can have an 84 template. You can see them right here. A template for 84. Okay. When you're done, let's just go ahead and hit finish. Can you guys see what it says finish template? Hit finish template. Now you have a template for 84 slots. Did you guys see we created a template for 82 slots? Now we need to change the receptacle panel into the new template. So how do you do that? Now click on the receptacle panel. All right, everybody's in the receptacle panel. Go into where was I? Under modify, I think. Manage template. Where is that? Change template. Okay. Okay. Panel schedule template. Click on that one, guys. Manage. Okay, no, we don't want that one. Okay. Analyze. We got my panel schedule. Okay, where's my panel schedule? Modify. What do you see it, Karen? Yeah, click on that modify panel schedule. Modify. Um, property. Okay, no, we don't want. Gosh, I hate that. Okay, here you go. I have to click onto it, guys. I clicked into it. You need to see it says change template. Just click on that one first, and then go click somewhere into the panel. Change template. When you change template, do you guys see that 82 should be 84, but we made a mistake on it. We can go change it to 84. Click on that one and OK it. And yes, and gentlemen, ladies and gentlemen, now you have a template for 84 slots. Can you guys see that? Did it change it for you? You have a template for 84 slots. Okay. Um, you can go, guys, adjust these. You can see where you can adjust them to the left, like everything else. They were adjusted to the left. Can you guys see that? You highlight them and adjust to the left. Now I'm adjusting them like everything else. And then you're going to go and circuit them. Any comments, guys? Any questions? Karen, did it work for you? Yes, no? Okay. Derek? Good. Okay. The rest is, guys, you're going to go and just basically change all these circuits and name them. Any comments, guys? So you're going to name all the circuits for the lighting panels, the receptacle panels, and the main panels and receptacle panels. Right now, they're all saying receptacles and lights. You have to give them a unique physical location. Or if it's mechanical equipment, the name of that mechanical equipment. Anything else, guys, about the schedule? Is this enough to get you up and running with the schedules? Enough to get you up and running? Okay. Make sure you power your circuits, power your panel, guys. So I'm going to go, I don't think he did power his panels. I'm going to show you one little thing here. I'm going to go to the floor plan. So my friend here, can you guys see the receptacle panel here? Click on the receptacle panel. Edit. It is okay. So no, it's powered. Template 82. Okay, no, I want to go there. Receptacle panel. Can you guys see when you click on power? Click on power. I'm going to go power the receptacle panel. And edit circuit. It should be circuited. Edit circuit. Oh, he didn't pick a panel. Okay, edit circuit. Pick the main panel and click finish. So now my receptacle panel should be circuited to the main panel. Should be circuited to the main panel. I don't know if we did that one. Okay, so placement. It should be circuited. Okay, here's the apparent power. All the information about this. Number of phase. Yeah, here you go. Supply from main panel. That's what I thought. Should be circuited. Now let's do the lighting panel, guys. You did that one. Lighting panel, click on power it. When you hit the power, load lighting panel, edit circuit. You're going to go pick the main panel and finish. So now this lighting panel is fed from the main panel. The lighting panel is fed from the main panel. Lighting panel is fed from the main panel. That's all right. Okay, so a circuit, the lighting and the receptacle panel to the main panel. Any comments, guys? Any questions? So that should get you up and running with it. Okay. If go ahead, guys, go with it. If you have any questions, I'll help you.